I will show you how to install Django on Visual Studio Code. Okay. First of all, you need to create a folder, then give a folder name dashboard. Okay. Now open this. Click here, then type CMD. Okay. Press enter. You will see a command line. Okay. Now write here code dot. Open your Visual Studio Code. That's it. Now open the new terminal. Click on here. Okay. Then open git bash. Now follow my instruction. First of all, you need to create a virtual environment. Okay. Copy this code and the virtual environment name is my venue. Then press enter. Okay. Virtual environment is now created. Now you need to activate this environment. Okay. Copy this code. Paste here. My venue script and this is the activate. Okay. Press enter. Now this is activated. Then install a Django on your machine. Okay. Press enter. Just wait a few seconds. After completed Django, then create a new project and the project name is my project. Copy this code. Just do it to complete. Successfully install. Now paste here Django admin start project and give you your project name. Okay. The project is my project. Now press enter. And you will see here my project will be created. Okay. And that's it. Now I want to create a new application. Okay. To create a new application, you need to go to your project. Okay. Just copy this here, press enter, then create a new app. Copy this code, and the app name is my app. You will see here the app will be created. Press enter. Now the app is created. Open my project, and this is my app name, my app. Okay. Now click on your project, go to settings. Now you need to add the application into your install apps. My app name is my app, so I need to add this my app. Save it, close this. Then go to urls.py. Then add your path. My app, okay. Okay. Go to your app, and there is no urls.py. Now you need to create URLs. Okay. URLs. Open this. From dot import views. Okay. Dot index name index. Okay. Go to views. Next, done. Now save this. Okay. That URL views. Okay. That's that URL. Close it. cd my project. Now run this. I run server. There is a problem. Duplicate. Open again. Okay. Now cd my project. Now run this. Python manage. Open this link. That's it. Okay.